What do vibe coders, AI agents, and enterprises have in common? They all need on-demand computers in the cloud with minimal overhead, low maintenance, cost efficiency, and high performance. Well, Cloud Run gives you on-demand computers. Just in 2025, the number of Cloud Run external monthly active developers and applications have doubled. You can run your vibe-coded apps on Cloud Run. You can build your full-stack applications in AI Studio and deploy them in a click to Cloud Run. You can add the official, fully managed MCP server to your favorite MCP client to deploy to Cloud Run. And with spending caps, you can define your maximum monthly spend, and if your build reaches this limit, your Cloud Run resources will automatically be paused. You can run your AI agents on Cloud Run. We are introducing the Cloud Run Sandbox for secure, on-the-fly, isolated code execution from within your Cloud Run resources. We are also introducing Cloud Run instances, allowing you to manage individual Cloud Run instances. They are designed for asynchronous, long-running background agents needing isolated on-demand compute. Instances support SSH connections and automatic sync between your local folder and Cloud Run, allowing you to just develop on Cloud Run. And you can run your AI models on Cloud Run with on-demand scale-to-zero GPUs. The new NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000 GPUs are now generally available. You can now also add per-instance temporary disks with ephemeral disks. And we've added GPUs to jobs, allowing you to achieve cost savings through delayed executions of those jobs. Get started today at cloud.run.